Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my closet. And today we are doing a wrap up to my Rolling Project 10 pan roulette. Yeah, it's kind of like a year-long project that I do, but I've got another project happening, which I will go ahead and link in the cards here. And I'm doing that with Alexi and Rebecca here on YouTube and a bunch of other people. Anyway, as a result of that, I did kind of want to wrap this one up. So this is going to be the finale for two reasons. So that's the first reason, and let's get into the second reason. Okay, so let me just go ahead and update you on the things that I had already finished by the time, in the first or second update. So I will remind you of that. In the first update, I finished the Buxom White Russian lip gloss, full-on lip cream. I also finished that Mon Guerlain perfume. So I don't have those items anymore because when I finish something, I throw it away. This I still have. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. I still have this because it's not empty, but my goal was to hit pan, so I did that by the second update. Oh, by the second update, I finished the Roses de Chloe perfume sample, which I threw away because I finished it. Let's see, I finished the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara, which I tossed. Okay, that's it for the second update. So now we're just gonna go through whatever I had left in the order that I rolled it. So, number one was this Trestique Shadow Crayon in Aspen Pine. So that's where that is. Yeah. I didn't use this. So that one's, I mean, I used it. I used about that much of it total, but I didn't use it between the second and this last update. So there's that. Okay, next that I still have was the Scone Pretty Eyes eyeliner pencil in Plum. So there's that right there. Now this one, let me see if I can show you. I did make a little bit more progress on this, so I'll try to show you right here. I don't know if you can see. I don't want it to break, so I want to be careful with that, but made a good bit of progress with that, actually, considering, Okay, so that's that one. Didn't finish that one either. Next, I had the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Pencil, and it's done. So let's see. So yeah, that one is done. And where was it? It was right here. So you can see right there my progress on that. So that one's done. So we're gonna check it because Actually, why am I putting it in there? We're throwing it out. Yay, done with that. Next, I had the Lord & Berry eyeliner pencil. This black one here. So if you look there, you can see, let me put it next to it so you can actually tell. But if you see there, I did actually make a good bit of progress on that, but it's not gone. The next thing I still have is the NYX Colored Mascara in Mint Julep, and I did not finish this yet, so we'll just put that away. I'm gonna keep using it. It's in my makeup basket, so why not? Okay. The next item that I had was, I didn't even tell you what all these were for. The Trestique was a cream product. The Tarte was something with cute packaging, the Park Avenue Princess bronzer. Buxom White Russian was a deluxe sized item. The Guerlain perfume sample was a new item. The Scone Pretty Eyes eyeliner in Plum was a old item. And the Cella eyebrow pencil was a neutral item. the Roses de Chloe perfume sample. That was a scented item. Lord & Berry eyeliner pencil in black was something that I received in a subscription box. The Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara was something that was in my favorite color. And the NYX color mascara in Mint Julep was something bright. So the next thing I rolled was overrated, and for that I chose my IT Superhero mascara. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just a little mini, but it's all dried out. So obviously you can't really see in there, but the last time I used this, it took a lot of work. So this guy is finished. Next thing I rolled was something underrated, and for that I chose my Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Complexion Perfector SPF 30. Yeah. So you can see, like, I have used more of this. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but I've used a lot of that. So did not finish it, however, so we're gonna put that back because I use that on the daily pretty much. So that goes back. Okay, let's see. So the next thing I had was something in my least favorite color, which is orange, or used to be orange. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Torch. It's from the Naked Heat collection. So let me see, because I did have it marked. Okay, I made the teeny tiniest little bit of progress on that one. I did use this, and I am wearing it today in my waterline, and I tight lined with it and a little bit underneath as well, just all smudged out. So there's that. I enjoy this. Next was something shimmery. I chose this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the color 22 Turquoise, and this is just this like turquoise eyeliner with reflex in it. There it is. Let's see how well I did with that one. Obviously I didn't finish this one. So let's see, something shimmery. You know, that's not too shabby. I got a little bit of use on that. So there's that. So the next item I rolled was, dun, 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 oh, skincare. I rolled a skincare item. I chose my Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment, and I had a pretty good amount of this left. So let's just see where we are. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So I have this mask applicator that I got from e.l.f. and it's got like a silicone little spatula on one end. So that's why I was able to get like every drop out of here. And then I actually did just wash it out just to be able to reuse this container because it's adorable. And you know, I love it. It's my favorite color and it has a star. So I'm gonna find something to use this for. The next item I rolled was a brand with the fewest products. So it's something that I don't have much of, or I have like only one item of that brand name. That was this Bulgari Omnia Coral perfume sample. Y'all didn't see me roll for this because it happened after I finished something else up between the last update and now. And it's, you know, it's empty. So we're gonna throw that away. Getting through my perfume samples, that's cool. Okay, the next item I rolled, and the last item I rolled, was something with lame packaging. I chose my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara. And I chose this because it's just really bulky and kind of awkward. So that's why I chose it. And ta-da! I mean, you know, you can't see it, but there's nothing on there. This and the Superhero from IT, I spent a long time trying to get the eyelashes to look right because the both of them like ran out at the same time, dried out, ran out. So yeah, this guy is trash. Now, if you were keeping count, that is 10 items that I finished. So success. So that is reason number 2 why I am going ahead and wrapping up this project, because I really want to focus on this other project that I'm doing. And I do have like a few projects happening right now, so it's a lot. So that's 10 items that I finished. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I think I forgot to mention that I did have a perfume. It was the Demeter Orchid, let's see, it was the Demeter Twilight Orchid Perfume Oil. I forgot to mention that, but between the last update and now, I actually figured out that I am allergic to that. So, I mean, sensitive to it. It just made me nauseous and it gave me headaches, and I had to declutter it. So I ended up rolling something else in, and I think it was the Bulgari perfume sample. So anyway, that is all 10 items for my rolling project 10 pan roulette. I like to kind of just do that, and then when I get to 10, I start over so that I don't get bored with just trying to use the same items, like this, for example, that is giant. So that's why I do that. But as I said, this time I actually want to go ahead and just wrap it up, and I'm not going to restart this one until maybe next year, unless I do one like as a collab with somebody again. But yeah, I'm doing the collab. It's kind of the same thing. We're just doing 6 products, and so I didn't want to have both of these going at the same time because it's the same thing, really. Anyway, check that out. There's a playlist. You can check out all the other ladies that are doing that. Yeah, it's really fun. So anyway, done. Yay. So that is everything for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, it's gonna be like here or here. That would be cool. I post videos like 2 to 3 times a week, so I would love to have you here. If you have any comments, suggestions, requests, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I would be happy to respond and talk to you. So that would be awesome. Anyway, that is everything, and I will see you next time. Bye.